In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to start dropshipping in 2025 using the power of AI with a platform that can create a fully branded dropshipping store in just a few clicks. And of course, eliminating the hassle of building a store from scratch with poor designs. And listen, thanks to this powerful strategy, I've been generating impressive results like the ones you're seeing right now on screen, and my students are already applying it to achieve similar success. What I'm sharing today with you, it's completely revolutionary because you will learn how to create stunning dropshipping store designs that actually look like real brands. And even better, you'll be able to build multiple product pages at once to test multiple products at the same time. So make sure to watch this video from start to finish, because if you apply everything I'm going to teach you today in this video, you'll be on your way to achieve the success you want with dropshipping. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to be doing today, it's clicking the link in this video description, because if you click that link, it's going to take you right away into this website. This is Persuva. Persuva is the artificial intelligence that we're going to be using today to create our dropshipping store. And listen, what I like the most about this AI is that different to many of the other AIs that currently exist for creating dropshipping stores, this one actually creates real branded dropshipping stores for you, because it's very common to see AIs that are really good, but whenever you use them, you're going to have just a basic general stores with a basic design. And I'm going to be very honest with you guys. If you try to sell your product with a basic design, you're not going to convert as many sales as you would like to convert. So the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to click right here where it says sign up for free. If you click this link, it's going to give you access to a quick free trial, and on top of the free trial, you're also going to have a discount whenever you need to pay for this. Listen, I strongly guarantee paying for Persuva, because honestly, after you watch this video, you're going to know why this is so worth it. Whenever you sign up, this is going to be the dashboard. You're going to be right here. The first thing we're going to be doing today is connecting our Shopify store. And for that, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is clicking right here where it says connect, and then you're going to follow the step by step that Persuva is going to give you. It's honestly very simple. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's going to take a lot of time. Now, after connecting your Shopify store, of course, you need to have your winning product. At this point, we are focusing on creating our branded dropshipping store. So I'm going to guess that if you got to this point, you already have a winning product. If you don't know how to find a winning product, you can watch a few of my videos on how to find winning products for your dropshipping store. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this product. It's called a retro console. Honestly, this is a winning product right now. It's trending massively. We are currently in Christmas season, and this is generally one of those products that sell very well. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open AliExpress. You're going to search for your product, and then all you have to do is copying the link of that AliExpress product. Quick tip, first open an incognito window, paste the product, paste the link in that incognito window. So what this is going to do is this is actually going to give you the right link to the product, so Persuva can actually import all the information. You're going to copy that link, the one from the incognito window, and then you're going to click right here where it says products, and then you're going to click right here. You're going to paste your link. You're going to click on add product. Now we just need to wait a little bit for Persuva to import all the information from the product from AliExpress. Pretty much right now what this is doing is taking out all the information that Persuva can find from the supplier on that AliExpress link, and it's going to start to build a big database of information about the product. We're just going to wait for it to finish, and there you go. At this point, we have successfully imported the product into Persuva. It is right here, as you can see. And now step number 2 is creating an audience for this product. So now what you need to do is clicking right here where it says audiences. You're going to select the product that you just imported, which is this one. Then you're going to name it. So let's say retro console audience, and then select an entity, of course, consumer, because we're going to be selling directly to consumers. And we're going to click on create. Right now, what this is doing is Persuva, it's creating an audience for your product based on the information that they got from the AliExpress link. So right now we have created successfully our audience. As you can see right here, Persuva pretty much understood everything about the product, about the customer. We have the fears of our potential customer, the aspirations, the pain points, everything. It's currently here created in Persuva. We have the genders. According to Persuva, of course, this is a product that's going to be mostly for males. So honestly, this is amazing, because based on this, we literally have everything that we need now so we can create our optimized product page for our product. So now the third step, it's actually going to be creating the product page. You're going to click right here where it says product pages. You can select into a different type of product page, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be clicking right here on product and landing page. Then you're going to select the product. Then you're going to select the audience that you just created. created. And lastly, you can also pick the different language. Of course, we're going to be going with English, but if you live in a country with a different language and you just want to do dropshipping in that country, you can pick whatever you want: French, Spanish, German, Arabic. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be going with English. Make sure to check these boxes: free shipping, 30-day money back guarantee, and free return, and generate page. Once again, we're just going to wait for Persuva to do the job for us. Right now, Persuva, the whole artificial intelligence, it's literally creating the best product page with the best design for a product. Honestly, this is amazing, and you're going to be surprised whenever you see this. So we're going to wait for it to load. And there you go. Look at this, you guys. We literally have an entire branded product page literally created in just a few clicks, in just a few minutes. And this is already optimized for sales, for conversions. You can literally use this to sell your product right now, to start advertising your product with whatever advertising strategy you want to use. As you can see, this looks completely different from a basic design. It is literally a branded dropshipping store. It even included a few bundles that you can see right here. So honestly, this is amazing. Now, another important thing you need to know is you can also edit the information. All you have to do is going over the text that you want to edit, and you can click right here on this pencil and you can edit literally the information. So it's not just like it's going to give you a whole product page that you need to use like straight to the point. You can literally edit the information if you don't like something. But honestly, everything right here, it's fully optimized for generating as many sales as possible. That was the step number 3, but we still need to do something else. Now we need to export this product page into our Shopify store. How do you do that? Well, you need to click on this little blue button that you see right here. You can either pick into product page or landing page. I'm going to explain to you in just a few minutes what it's the difference between these two. But let's pretend that for this one, we're going to go with landing page. You're going to select your store because you already connected at your store at the beginning, remember? And then it's going to ask you to install the Persuva theme. In this case, I already have it installed. I'm going to click here on Persuva 103. This is the optimized theme, the one you're seeing right now on screen. And you're going to click on export. It's that easy. Immediately what this is doing, it's exporting the whole product page into your Shopify store, and then it's 100% ready to be used for your ads. As you can see, it says page generated successfully. How do you see your product page? You click here on actions and you click on view product page. You have a fully optimized landing page, fully functional. Everything works. Every single link works here. It even includes the slide card option right here. This is amazing, you guys, because in just a few clicks, you can literally have your dropshipping store ready. This literally saves you a lot of time. You won't be spending a lot of time into building your dropshipping store from start to finish. If you have your ads ready, you can literally test this right away. And all you have to do is maybe editing the price. The price, maybe it's not the ideal price. And that's going to be it. You have a fully dropshipping store available for you to test. Every button right here, it's completely functional, as you can see. So it is amazing. Now listen, just to prove to you right now that this design that Persuva helped us create, it's 100% optimized for conversions. I'm going to be going very quickly over the whole structure because it is literally the structure that I teach my students every day that they need to have for their dropshipping stores if they want to have a successful store that generates a lot of sales. The first section, it's this one, which is the product offer section. And this one, it's very important because this is the first section that customers watch as soon as they land into the website after they click the call to action of the ad. You have very clearly the name of the product, which of course you can edit if you want something much more branded. We have the price very clearly stated. So we have the price and the offer. And most importantly, we have some quick, brief description about the product with a quick bullet points that very quickly explain the customer what the product is all about. And of course, we have the images, we have the bundles, and right away, this is going to engage immediately people into wanting to know more about the product. So that's actually the second section. The second section is this one, which is the start of the product description. This is where you can actually go over the whole benefits, the whole features about the product, and this is where you can convince even more your potential customer to buy this product. This is the second section, and the last section, it's very important too, the social proof section. This is where you include your testimonials. This is where you include your frequently asked questions. Lastly, you need to include your reviews, and this section is so important because it's very common for people to be driven by reviews, by other people's experiences, because if they don't know your brand, if they don't know your product yet, probably people, they're going to look at the reviews, they're going to look at the testimonials to take their final decision on whether to buy the product for your dropshipping store or not. So as you can see with Persuva, you can literally create this whole structure in just a few clicks, and it's going to be 100% optimized. All right, you guys, so to finish the video, I'm going to literally reveal right now the biggest strategy that you can now apply with Persuva if you want to be successful with dropshipping right away after you watch this video. Listen, one of the biggest issues that people have with dropshipping, it's selling products that are actually not winning products. And the problem with selling a product that's not not a winning product is that it's very expensive to test one product, and it's very time consuming because for every product that you test on, for example, Facebook ads or TikTok ads, you need to create a whole dropshipping store for that product. So, well, with Persuva, that's not going to be the case anymore, and let me explain to you why. If we go back here to the product page that Persuva created, and if you click on Sports or Shopify, as you can see, Persuva gives you the option to either have a product page or a landing page. Well, if you click on landing page, you can test multiple products at the same time in the same Shopify store without other people thinking that you have other products in your dropshipping store, meaning that you can literally run multiple campaigns on Facebook ads or TikTok ads for different products at the same time, and you can literally find a gold mine just by testing different products at the same time, maybe 5 days or 7 days, and then all you have to do is going and scaling the product that gave you the best results. So honestly, this is amazing. I'm gonna give you right now like a quick test. So you just saw before that we created the landing page for this one, but let's say that we have a different product page. For example, this one, we have a dog bed. All I have to do is the same, export to Shopify landing page, select store, the same store, and then the same theme, and you click on export, and this is pretty much exporting another landing page into the same Shopify store that we have connected previously. As you can see, page generated successfully. And then if you click on view product page, there's no header menu. So if someone lands on your website, all they're gonna see is the landing page of your product, which is the one they're interested in because they saw your ad on Facebook or TikTok. They're gonna be able to buy it, but they're not gonna be able to navigate into any of the other products of your dropshipping store. It's not gonna look like a general store. So this is why Persuva is so amazing, because with Persuva, you're gonna be able to test multiple products at the same time. You can create multiple dropshipping stores, multiple product pages in just a few clicks, and you can test multiple products that can then transform into big winners for you. All right, so now thanks to this AI, you can literally create entire dropshipping stores in less than 12 minutes. And honestly, what I like the most about this is that being successful with dropshipping has become much easier because you can literally test multiple products at the same time without having to create separate stores for each product. So remember to click the link in the description if you want to get access to a 20% off discount on Persuva so you can start testing your strategy right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notifications for more dropshipping tips and case studies. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see more daily tips and a little bit about my lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and peace.